I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Are you ready to join me on an adventure to one of Thailand's most stunning destinations? We're about to explore the breathtaking beaches of Phi Phi Island, and I couldn't be more excited to share this experience with you all. So before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content. But if you can look past the crowds, you'll be rewarded with some of the most beautiful scenery that Thailand has to offer. Moving on from Maya Bay, we arrive at Monkey Beach, which is home to a troop of wild monkeys that roam the area.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The monkeys are quite friendly and will often approach visitors in search of food. But be warned, they can be quite mischievous, and they are not afraid to steal food from unsuspecting tourists. Our final stop on this walking tour is Long Beach, which is located on the east coast of Phi Phi Island. The beach is a bit quieter than some of the other beaches on the island, and it's a great place to relax and unwind after a busy day of exploring. The water is calm and clear, making it perfect for swimming or snorkeling, and there are plenty of beach bars and restaurants nearby where you can enjoy a meal or a drink. As our walking tour of Phi Phi Island comes to a close, I can't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to explore such a beautiful part of the world. I hope that this video has inspired you to add Phi Phi Island to your travel bucket list. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing travel content.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.